it is going to be another CVS video, and please excuse the glare. I'm pretty sure it's right here. Is that it? Is that it? This is gonna be another CVS video for you guys. Look, I know I said when I said what I said, like that I wasn't gonna be doing deals that involved expired coupons, or that I wasn't gonna be doing makeup deals. But listen. I know that a lot of you guys still wouldn't mind seeing those deals, and so I figured I would kind of put that those deals in a separate video for those who can't really benefit from it or don't really care for it, versus those who do. And so these are gonna be two deals that I could not pass up. Like, yeah, I could not pass up. So gonna get in this store, gonna do these deals. I actually did these two deals on 4 of 5 of my cards. So I'm gonna go in and do this deal this last time, run you guys through the deal, and yeah. So if you're new here though, first, cause we gotta get this out the way. If it's your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure that you smash the like button and support your girl. It's the least you could do to help your girl out, because I know y'all be liking me, but most of y'all don't be liking me. All right, so always make sure that you smash the like button, you guys. It lets, YouTube know your girl is important, and I want you to, I already know that I'm important, and I know that you guys already know that I'm important, but we need to get the word out to YouTube so YouTube can know that your girl is important too, and spread the word to other people so they can see how important you guys. And so don't forget to do that. Also, make sure that you ring the little notification bell so you never miss out on the video. As simple as that. So without further ado, let's get in and get these. We are doing this cover girl deal. I told y'all I wasn't gonna be doing no makeup deals this go around as far as CVS, because I have so much makeup already as it is. But if it's making me money, I'm here for it. So I'm gonna do this cover girl deal. I got my coupons yesterday, and right now it's on promotion: buy 2 get back 6, or buy 3 get back 10. So it doesn't track, so you have to either buy 2 at one time or 3 at one time. So we're gonna go ahead and grab 3 of them. At this store, they are priced at how much? They're priced at, I believe they're $5.79. I believe they're $5.79. We're gonna grab 3 of them. That total is gonna come to $17.37. We're gonna be using 3 of these $3 coupons from our inserts. There's also a $3 CRT that you can use as well, so we'll be clipping that. That's gonna bring our total down to paying $5.37 out of pocket, but we're gonna get back $10 in extra care bucks, you guys, making this a $4.63 moneymaker, you guys, which is just a deal you cannot pass up. Whether you donate the CoverGirl pencils, I know we got like a trillion gazillion of them, donate them, burn them, bury them, all right? For $4 and a 63-cent moneymaker. Yeah. This deal here is on the L'Oreal. Yeah, I know I said I wasn't gonna really be doing deals that involve expired coupons. I know everybody can't do those deals, but there are still a lot of y'all that can, like myself. So we're gonna do this L'Oreal deal. They're on promotion this week. They are 2 for $9, and they're also buy 2 get back 5, which is by far the highest extra care buck we've ever gotten back on these. Normally it's like $4. And so we're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. Now for this deal, I'm gonna use this $3 printable from coupons.com that expired, as you can see, on the 26th of last month. So I'm gonna use that IP. I'll end up paying $6 out of pocket, but getting back $5 in extra care bucks, making them only 50 cents each, you guys. So I'm stacking this deal with the CoverGirl. The other thing that I'm gonna grab today is gonna be on the Cheetos, and the speaker's like right over my head, y'all. Please excuse me. They are 2 for $1, and this coupon does work here at CVS. So we're gonna end up buying 6 of them and use this printable, making all 6 of them absolutely free. Hey guys, so I'm gonna try to make this clip really quick. I just wanted to kind of throw you guys the numbers for the deals that I did today. So for the L'Oreal and the CoverGirl deal, I did it on all 5 of my cards. I will say that the L'Oreal coupon, I used it at all 4 stores with the cashier, and they all took it. So it seems like a lot of stores are still continuing to take expired coupons. I know that a lot of stores have stopped, but a lot of them are still taking them, which I guess is kind of cool. They do scan All right. I have used it in self-checkout as well. At one store, I went to register for one transaction, and then I went to self-checkout for the other one, and it scanned perfectly fine there as well. So the L'Oreal deal ended up costing me $5, $1 per card, 50 cents per bottle. I think that's really, really good. Those L'Oreals, I sell those on offer. I sell them 4 for $9, I think, and they sell pretty good for me. I just have learned with OfferUp to just get the same ones. I get the same colors, scents all the time. It just makes it easier for me. So I only get like maybe 1 or 2 different ones because it just makes it easier when I'm posting stuff. And so there's that deal. The CoverGirl deal, I noticed the pencils were cheaper. I think they used to cost more before, like $6 something maybe. They are cheaper now, which is really cool. One thing I also noticed too is the store that usually is priced higher, they were still $5.79 at that store too as well. So all 4 stores I went to, they were all priced at $5.79. So that deal ends up making you $4.63. Again, times 5 makes that a $23.15 moneymaker. So again, CoverGirl pencils, y'all know we have a gazillion of them. I know that you guys do because I do. All right. And I know that we don't need them, but like I said, burn it, bury it, donate it, give it away, hell, leave it in the store. It don't matter because guess what? It's paying me $23.15, so of course I'm gonna take it. And so everything I got today retails $131.85. I had 75.
I can't stand when a person comes and parks right next to you. Like, that is what irks the hell out of me. Like, there's 5,000 million trillion other spots you could park at, but you choose to park right next to me. That's what really irks me. It really, really does. Because it's like, if a person is parked by themselves, don't you know that they probably most likely want their privacy? But that just irks me, because then I feel awkward, because now it's like, I'm looking at you, you're looking at me, I'm looking at you, you're looking at me. That's what irritates me. So let me make this quick.
Everything I got today retails $131.85. We had $75 in coupons, CRTs, digitals. Did I have digitals with this? No, I didn't have any digitals. I had CRTs and manufacturer coupons. The out-of-pocket came out to $56.85. I walk away with $75 in extra care bucks. Is that right? I used $75 in coupons and got back $75. I'll have to double check that. If I'm wrong, it'll be up here somewhere. All right. I walk away with $75 in extra care bucks between 5 cards, and it makes everything free plus $18.50. So we got $132 worth of product, you guys. We got paid for it. We got paid $18 for it. So hell yeah, I miss doing CVS. I'm so happy that I'm back at CVS. Are you guys happy that I'm back at CVS? Because I feel like you are. Like I'm feeling the love. Like I love to feel love because I know we all like to feel loved. And I just want to take the time out really quick just to say thank you for those of you who literally were on standby while I was figuring out what the hell I was doing with my life. And here I am back at CVS, and I'm excited about that. So I am gonna leave it there because this video is getting super long, and I have meat in my back seat. Ooh, that rhymed. I got meat in my back seat. Anyways, I'll leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day. Whatever you're watching, and I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.